How much wood would you cover in vapor barrier if you put vapor barrier over wood? Recently we had a question from Texas 6976 on our How Much Does Crawl Space Encapsulation Cost video. Can you give more detail on what is to be done if your crawl space has wood walls? Hey, I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and what he is referring to is what is better known as a cripple wall. Now, these walls are built typically in older homes throughout different parts of the country where they would use a half masonry block wall and then extend the wall up with wood. And these can be challenging for a lot of homeowners because most of the time when you see an encapsulated crawl space, you have plastic going all the way up the foundation wall. I would recommend that cripple wall should never have any type of plastic or vapor barrier installed on top of it because plastic loves to hold in moisture. And if that wood gets damp, let's say you had a leak from the outside coming into the crawl space, that plastic is going to seal that moisture up over that wood, and that wood will begin to rot, grow mold, and be destroyed over time. I would rather the wood be completely exposed so that you can see the wood all the time and not put any plastic over it. But that poses another problem. How do you insulate that wood? Most of the time when I've spoken to people with this type of issue, I've always recommend you air seal penetrations that come through the cripple wall with spray foam or caulk, and then you would use a type of insulation, preferably rock wool insulation, to place between the joists of the cripple wall. So Texas 6976, I hope that helps to answer your question. I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.